Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super big and really nice and well-made cat tree that this brand sent to me for the video. It's kind of like a corner cat tree, I want to say, because as you can see over here, it comes with this rounded shape over here, but a corner shape right there on the back. So it's a nice one just for putting in a corner, for example, and having them the chance to nap in anywhere of this one, kind of like really nice napping station. There's one here, and there's one here as well. This one is actually really firm and stable, as you can see over here. It's not flimsy at all, and it comes with many places for them to nap, hide, scratch, play, whatever you want. We have Tiger right here actually already kind of like napping and sleeping inside of this condo over here. And the assemble, I have to tell you that it's not going to take you more than 20 minutes. Tops 20 minutes, no more than that, because it comes, I'll explain it right here with everything you need to know. Let's take a closer look. Right, Tiger? So you have the upper section right here with a napping station, sleeping station right here with one of this for them to play if they want. You have another napping station over here and another one over here. So this is kind of like the sleeping station, I want to call it. A really nice scratching post over here, another one right here, and another one right here with another one of this to play. And this is kind of like a big condo. Inside this one is a big one. So this is for small to medium and big cats, like big, small, and medium-sized cats. This one right here, and it comes with a really nice base over here as well. And while Tiger is napping over here, you see this really nice like basket, I want to say, like a hammock basket. That this one, it is for mid-sized cats, I want to say, not for super big cats. And then you have this mid-sized condo, this same condo and before right here on the middle section. And this one, there is like another scratching post that also serves as a ramp. And then scratching post, scratching post, scratching post, and scratching post with this really nice and big base over here. They love it, of course. They love this one. So really big one, tons of options for them to play, scratch, hide, nap, chill, sleep, or just, I don't know, whatever you want for this one. It's a really nice decoration as well. 68.5 inches and a corner shape and lots of options for your cats to like. We have four and the four of them likes this one.